This is just a test video really, just testing the GoPro settings. Me and Tim Thurston, 111 Polar Bear, was discussing them, and we're trying to get it looking a bit right, so thought while I'm testing them, another job I can be doing is changing over the wheels I've bought for me Sparks reefer trailer. Take off the plastic kit ones. Put on. Oh, I always try to fit. Try to fit. Nice. Lisu, well, they're not Lisu, I think they're copied Lisu, so which, no, Lisu, they're probably copies of copies. Because they've got the X's on the back, which on the reefer trailer, two of the axles have the X's on the back. Oh, and I have a nice little set of X's with bearings to do the very rear one, so all should be good, hopefully. These are a nice set of wheels, it's not a bit fiddly. We have a nice inner rub part and the wheel part, which I discovered the other day. These are actually in two parts. I guess easier for them to make rather than one solid lump. Right, I'll put them together and I'll be back. Right, so what I've done is strip the wheel down, put a tyre on. That's the centre bit, the tyre, the hubcap. So if we go over to the lorry, the trailer, not easy with one hand. So, as you can see, old original plastic wheel, you actually have the hub, then you put the wheel onto the hub with the outer cap. So I'll get the other two on and then show you the results of that. As you can see, they're on. Let's get the back one off because the back one is different. As you may or may not know, the back one has bearings. So obviously wheel with a hex won't fit, but I bought these. They are Fast Track's aluminium front wheel 12mm hex adapters. Bit of a mouthful, I know. But basically an X drive, a hex with a bearing. So you can put it in the wheel and then put it on a normal shaft, if you like, rather than the one with the X on it. So let's get the tyre on and get that fitted and see how that looks. Right, tyres on, so let's get this fitted. The only thing is, it does protrude a little, so I'm hoping it won't foul that. Let's see if I can get it on. Oh. Not sure what way it goes on. Does that wheel? No, that wheel won't fit over that shaft. So that's not very good, is it? I'll have to drill that hole out just a tad. Don't look much, but it's just enough to stop it. I'll be back. Right, simple modification to 5mm. So now should go on properly. Yep, that's better. Right, nice and tight. So, tiny bit of play in there. Which I think we could take out with, if we use the spacer off the back one. Yeah, that's much better. Right, I find if you try and get one in first, it's easier said than done, because it's hard trying to line them up, because the hub wants to move as you're trying to turn the wheel to line it. So I find if you get one in, then get one in with the cover, because you can hold it slightly to the side. Then you can undo that one, slide the cover where it should go. Hopefully it hasn't moved, and you can do it back up. And it's just a case of putting all the rest in. And then once they're all in, free to go. Two to go. And yes, I've got rest here. So then you have that. I think they look quite nice on there. So make sure there's no binding. Right, they all run fine. Lovely job. I think they're actually aluminium ones on the back there. It's a bit of a waste, but there you go. So my little mod. I would have done it outside today, but as you can see, it's been raining all morning, well all day really. It's bloody, what, 3 o'clock now, so it was raining when I woke up this morning and it's still nasty and damp out there now, hence why I'm doing it in here.